Hey everyone, in this video, I'll walk you through how to add, edit, and delete contacts in Gmail. This is super useful if you want to keep your address book clean and up to date, especially with all the changes in Google's 2025 layout. Let's get started. First, sign into your Gmail account. In the top right corner, click on the Google Apps grid, that's the 9 dots, and choose Contacts. This opens Google Contacts, which is where all your saved people are managed. To add someone new, click the Create Contact button on the left. A form will pop up where you can enter their name, email, phone number, and any notes. Once you're done, click Save. And yeah, that's it. They'll instantly appear in your contact list. Now, if you ever need to update details, like maybe someone changes their number, find that person in your list and click their name. Then, hit the little pencil icon at the top. Make your changes and hit Save. Super quick. Finally, to remove someone, open their contact profile. In the top right corner, click the 3 dots for more options and choose Delete. Confirm the pop-up and they're gone. Keep in mind, this doesn't delete past emails, just the save contact itself. So, just to recap, add new people with Create Contact, edit with the pencil icon, and delete with the 3-dot menu. Once you get used to it, managing contacts only takes a few seconds. And that's how you add, edit, and delete contacts in Gmail here in 2025. Keeping your list tidy makes emailing way easier and saves time down the road. Thanks for watching, and yeah, if this helped, feel free to check out my other Gmail guides.